This is Pratik from TechStop, and today in this video we'll be discussing about Terraform Show and State command. So let's get started. So this would be the agenda for this video. So we'll talk about the Terraform Show command and what all options are available, and then we'll switch to Terraform State command and what all options are available for this command, and then we'll give a short demo of both the commands using the Visual Studio Code. So let's see what's there for the show command. So this is the syntax Terraform show, and we provide all the available options, and we'll give input the state of the plan file. So show command is basically used to show what's there in the state file and your plan file, the plan file which you create through the Terraform plan command. So if you want to display it on the terminal or in your Terraform automation, like the pipeline, the CI/CD pipeline, in that case Terraform show will be very helpful. So these are the options which are available. First is the JSON, which prints the state of the plain file. State of the plain file in the JSON format, and then we have no color, so it displays the output with color. It's the typo. It's the it is used to disable the output with color, so there will be no coloring involved when it displays the output on the terminal. Next we have the Terraform State command. So primary purpose of the Terraform State is to store the binding between the objects in the remote system and the resource instances declared in your configuration. So basically what you have remotely in your AWS account, all the objects, how those are binded to the resources present in your configuration. So the Terraform State basically stores those bindings, like how the object which is written, like the configuration which is written, or any resource which is present in your configuration, how it is binded to a remote object present in the AWS infrastructure. So this is the syntax Terraform State, and then we have we can give it a sub command. We'll see what all sub commands are available. Then we have options, and then we can provide an input the Terraform State file or the plan file. So these are the sub commands. So we have a list to list the resources present in the state file, and then we have show to show the attribute of a given resource. Then the options is -state equal to path, so path to a state file. So if say you are in a different directory and your state file is present in a different directory and not in the current working directory, then you can explicitly provide the path to the state file. And my -id equal to id, which is the id of the resource to show. So let's switch to the Visual Studio Code. So we'll be taking the same configuration file which we used in our previous in the previous video, one of the previous video which was related to Terraform apply. So let's initialize the working directory, initialize the Terraform. So it is reusing the already existing version of the AWS. So if you remember, we created one TF plan file, and so state file got created as part of the resource creation. So Terraform show -JSON. So it shows only the format version, like I think the state file only contains this thing, right? So if we create a resource, I'll say Terraform apply auto approve, so that it doesn't ask for me about the input, whether to approve it or not. So to add it, it creates a new S3 bucket. it has created it. Now if say it should have updated the TF state file as well. If I print it in the JSON format, so it shows you the entire state file content as a JSON. So if you open it, it is the similar content which is shown in the output. Okay. Then so this is regarding the show command. So it basically shows the state file. Okay, and we'll also see what's there in the TF file, TF plan file, so which is Terraform Show -JSON. So by default it takes in the TF state file, but if we want to explicitly provide, see the content of the Terraform plan file, so which is s3 -change, tag -change dot tf plan. So it shows you the content of the plan file. So if you open it, it will not show you anything because editor doesn't support this extension. But yeah, you'll be able to see if you copy it, the contents from here, and open a new editor and select language which is JSON, and I'll just format it. If you see, you'll be able to see the entire plan file contents in the JSON format. So these are the two variations of the Terraform show command. So now we'll switch to the Terraform state command, which is being used to basically view the state and also manipulate it. Terraform state. So it has all the sub commands present, list, mv, so that we have to move an item in the state, or pull the current state and output to the standard output, remove the instance from the state. So basically it is recommended that the TF state file should not be changed manually. So we should be using this Terraform state command to do any manipulation to this TF state file. So first for this demo, I'll just say list. So it lists all the resources present in your state file, and if say you want to show a particular resource, so I can give it an ID and it will be same as this one. Okay, it doesn't detect hyphen ID, so let's see the help section. It only gives the state file. ID of the resource to show. I can see that it has an option available. Let's see. Okay, let me pause the video. I'll come back with the solution to this. So yeah, so the issue was with the -ID option. So it is not available with the state show command. It is available with the list command. So for printing the attributes of a particular resource, I'll just copy the ID and paste it here. It will show you the arguments of that particular resource present in the state file. Okay, so yeah, this was the demo for both the commands show and state, and this is it from this video. Hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching it. Bye.